Hello and welcome to GhaemiFa, a platform dedicated to providing insightful legal discussions, case analyses, and policy updates to empower individuals with essential legal knowledge. My name is Faitime, and I am a lawyer committed to bridging the gap between the legal system and the people it serves. In my years of legal practice, I have witnessed a disturbing reality. Countless individuals have surrendered their rights simply because they lacked access to legal counsel or did not understand the legal framework governing their situation. Many times, it is not the law itself that fails people, but the lack of legal knowledge that leaves them vulnerable. GhaemiFa was born out of this necessity. This channel is not just a place for legal discussions, it is a mission to create an informed society where individuals can stand up for their rights, navigate legal complexities with confidence, and make decisions with clarity. Why legal awareness matters. The law is one of the most powerful forces shaping societies. It governs every aspect of our lives: our jobs, businesses, contracts, property rights, personal relationships, and even our freedoms. Yet despite its influence, legal knowledge remains inaccessible to many. Most people only encounter the law when they are in trouble, when a contract dispute arises, when they face an unfair accusation, or when they need to protect their assets. Unfortunately, by the time they seek legal help, they may have already made costly mistakes. At GhaemiFa, our objective is to change this dynamic. We believe that legal awareness should not be a privilege. It should be a fundamental right. Every individual deserves to have the knowledge required to protect their interests, safeguard their future, and ensure justice prevails. What you will find on GhaemiFa. At GhaemiFa, we will cover a broad spectrum of legal topics, ensuring that you gain valuable insights that can help you navigate personal, business, and professional legal matters. Our content will include 1. Case study analysis. Learning from real legal cases. One of the most effective ways to understand the law is to analyze real-life legal cases. We will break down famous and recent cases, discussing the legal arguments, court decisions, and the broader implications for society. Whether it's a landmark Supreme Court ruling, a high-profile corporate lawsuit, or a controversial criminal case, we will dissect the legal reasoning behind it, making complex judgments accessible to all. 2. Legal explainers. Simplifying complex laws. Many legal concepts seem overwhelming due to the technical language and complex statutes. At GhaemiFa, we will translate legal jargon into clear, understandable explanations. Topics will include the fundamentals of contract law, how to protect yourself from unfair agreements; intellectual property law, safeguarding your creative and business assets; employment law, understanding your rights as a worker or employer; business law, how to set up a legally sound company and avoid legal pitfalls; consumer protection laws, ensuring you don't fall victim to fraud or deceptive practices. 3. Common legal mistakes, avoiding costly errors. Ignorance of the law is not a defense. Unfortunately, many people make avoidable legal mistakes that result in financial losses, legal disputes, or even criminal consequences. Our videos will highlight common legal pitfalls in areas like contract negotiations, rental agreements, defamation, business disputes, and more, helping you steer clear of legal troubles before they arise. 4. Legal Q&A, answering your most pressing legal questions. Legal confusion often stems from a lack of guidance. We will be answering real legal questions submitted by viewers, providing clear, factual responses to common concerns. While we cannot give specific legal advice, we can offer general guidance on how to approach legal issues and what steps to take in different situations. 5. Policy and law updates, understanding legislative changes. The legal landscape is constantly evolving. New laws are introduced, old laws are repealed, and judicial interpretations shape how the law is applied. We will provide updates on critical legal reforms, landmark court decisions, and legislative changes that may impact businesses, workers, and individuals. 6. Legal career advice, guidance for law students and professionals. For those pursuing a career in law or looking to enhance their legal knowledge, we will share career advice, study tips, and insights into the legal profession. Whether you are a law student, an aspiring attorney, or a business professional seeking legal knowledge, Our content will help you develop a strong legal foundation. Chapter 7, Myths versus Reality in Law, Debunking Legal Misconceptions. Many people believe in legal myths that are completely inaccurate. If I don't sign a contract, it's not valid. Verbal agreements don't count. Lawyers only help criminals. These myths can lead to serious legal mistakes. In this series, we will debunk common legal misconceptions and clarify how the law actually works, what GhaemiFa is, and what it is not. While GhaemiFa aims to provide valuable legal education, it is important to clarify its limitations. We are not a substitute for legal counsel. While we provide insights into legal matters, every case is unique. If you are facing a legal issue, you should consult a qualified attorney for personalized advice. We do not provide training to become a lawyer. This channel is designed to increase legal literacy among the general public, but it does not replace formal legal education. We focus on legal awareness, not advocacy. Our goal is to educate and inform, not to engage in political or ideological debates. That being said, we are committed to building a knowledgeable, empowered audience who understands their legal rights and can navigate legal issues with confidence and clarity. Why this mission matters to me? You might be wondering why I created this channel. The answer is simple. My heart hurts when I see people surrendering their rights simply because they don't have legal knowledge. Throughout my career, I have encountered individuals who lost everything: a business, an inheritance, their freedom, not because they were guilty or careless, but because they did not understand the law and had no legal representation. I have seen workers exploited, consumers defrauded, and businesses ruined, all due to legal ignorance. I firmly believe that no one should lose their rights due to a lack of legal knowledge. This is not just about legal education. It is about justice, empowerment, and ensuring that the law serves everyone equally. At GhaemiFa, we want to create a community of informed individuals who have no other concerns except their legal problems. People who can make decisions with open minds, protect their rights, and avoid legal pitfalls before they arise. Join us in this mission. Legal knowledge is not just for lawyers, it's for everyone. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to understand the law better, this channel is for you. Together, we can build a society where people are legally empowered, confident in their rights, and capable of making informed decisions. If this mission resonates with you, subscribe to GhaemiFa, turn on notifications, and be part of a community dedicated to legal awareness and empowerment. Because when it comes to the law, you're right, but only if you know you're right.